Hello everybody! How's your Saturday going? It's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team with RE/MAX, and I'm here in Windsong today. Beautiful community of Windsong and Airdrie. And I'm at 887 Windhaven Close, quiet street, close to, like a block from the school. I'll show you the street in a minute, but anyways, I just wanted to say hi. I'm going to show you this house. We're going to walk through it and show you this house has an amazing layout. The flow of the house is beautiful. It's immaculate. It's tons of upgrades. It's a beautiful house. So, and I just wanted to come on here and say hi because I haven't done a video for a while. So, hello everybody. It's good to see you. So we like to do things differently when we help people buy and sell houses. We want to help you have a great experience. If you know anybody that's buying or selling, or if you are, make sure you tell them about us, and we will put you in on our VIP referral program. And we appreciate every introduction to any of your friends or family. So, okay, 887 Windhaven Close we are at. So I'm going to just show you the street here without making this go weird. Okay, so here's the street. Oh, I'm showing you a pillar. So this is a great street right here. It's like really nice houses, a lot of character. And this house has got a double garage. It's 2,200 square feet, a little bit more than that. Beautiful hardwood, and I'll show you when we go inside. So we are going to go in the door. Maybe I'll just show you the front of the house a bit. Here we go. So here's the front step. It's got a really cute, a lot of character. So we've got the front, there's the garage, a really long driveway. You can fit your truck on there. And then up there, if you can see, oh, that is a nice balcony. So that's a southwest facing balcony on the front, which is really cool. You don't see that a lot in Airdrie. And let's go in. Come on in, I will take you for a tour of this beautiful home. It's immaculate. These people, my sellers, are awesome, and they keep it so clean, which is always a bonus, right? Okay, so here we are in the entry. It's got a really tall entry height. I'm not sure exactly how, but it's not two-story height, but it's very tall. And really neat part is this little bench. So there's a bench, we've got the front closet, and then these these niches with the lights for displaying. So there's a lot of display areas with lights. You can come in, your guests can sit down here. And then, okay, so I'll back up a bit. So this is the garage. You come in the front door and you go down the stairs here. That's your garage door. And I just came in the main door where your guests would come in. So yeah, the garage has got a brand new garage door opener. It's got a workbench built in. So we have a beautiful hardwood here and powder room. Powder room right here, just kind of away from everything, which is nice. Okay, so there's the entryway looking back. So the flow of this house is just so open. It's got upgraded railings, 9-foot ceilings on every level. So most houses have 9-foot on the main, but not upper, but this one has basement 9-foot, main floor 9-foot, and upstairs 9-foot. So that's pretty cool. Okay, we've got the laundry room and the kitchen. Look at this kitchen, it's so beautiful. It's got the upgraded cabinets with lighting inside and all the way to the ceiling. There you go. It's got the walk-in pantry right there. Stainless steel appliances, brand new oven, and it's got a gas hookup. So if you want gas, you can take that one out, put a gas one in, which, you know, for all you cooks out there that love gas. Granite, undermount sink. Oh, sorry, I keep going the wrong way. It's got a convection microwave oven in the island there. Pretty cool. Big dining area. They have their table's small right now, but it can be huge, just huge open concept dining. And it's got speakers, built-in speakers, you got some tunes going. The backyard has got a 2-level deck. So the yard's fully fenced and landscaped. And it's actually pretty good size, it's pretty wide. So it's got trees, the neighbors have trees, so there's some privacy, which is great. Custom blinds throughout. They're bottom up, top down blinds, so you can let in the light but not see your neighbors, unless you want to. So here's that was the main floor living room. And then you go up these stairs here and you will see this really cool family room with a floor to ceiling fireplace, which is really grand, and sconces, everything. And so yeah, this is just another family room, but this is where it goes out to that beautiful patio that I showed you. So we got the patio. It's a big patio too, and really just great for sitting out there. Okay, and then we have another staircase with gorgeous railing. It's got rounded railing as well, so it's very custom. I'll show you up the stairs. So there's 3 bedrooms up here. Got a built-in kind of linen storage area, really neat with the cabinets. And this room is like a little princess room here. So it's a good, sorry, I'm like out of breath. So it's it's a tall ceilings. So it's a vaulted ceiling, huge window. Those are blackout curtains, and they stay with the house too. So don't have to worry about finding curtains for that, 'cause it's very tall. And then we have our bathroom, the main bath up here, really good size, with a tub and a shower. And then another bedroom, also a great size. Oh, there we go. Great size. And then these closets also have got extra shelving they put in. Extra shelves for extra storage, so that's really good. Okay, let's go see the master because I love that part. The master. Okay, first of all, this one too. Man, there's so many things I keep forgetting. So it's a built-in desk right here. Like the perfect office space, right? Check that out. Drawers, everything. You can have your home office here. Your kids could do homework here. Or you could just have just, you know, running your life type of office, your household. So that is a neat thing that's built in. It's tucked away in that little corner. Okay, so the master is really nice. It's with the ensuite, it's gorgeous. So we have the bed, and that's a queen, but you could easily fit a king in there if you wanted to. It's got the nice blinds again, custom blinds. And then it's got a walk-in closet. It's actually really big. It's a big closet. It goes all the way here, and then it goes behind the door as well. So good sized closet there for you. Make sure you share this video if you see it and you know somebody that you think would love this house. You gotta share it. Oh, that's the fan. Okay, so this bedroom has got a fireplace in it. Really, really cool fireplace, and that leads to the bathtub that also is huge if you like your soaker tub. This is this tub for you. Look at that. Huge tub, nice big window with the privacy blinds, and then this fireplace. So you could just hang out there, have a glass of wine, turn on your fireplace, and then just relax in your giant tub. So there you go. I mean, I'm thinking about it right now. And then the shower. So this is an upgraded bathroom. It's almost like a steam shower. It's got this really thick glass, the upgraded glass, and then it's got the light inside, and it's quite a big size shower too. So, and we have double sinks, tons of storage, no excuse for any clutter, right? And these guys keep their house beautifully, and it's just a gorgeous home. So that is the tour of this. Oh, there you are. Hello. So, hi Audrey. How are you doing? So yes, if you're watching right now, or if you are watching this in the future and you think, wow, that's a great house, I think I would like it, or my friends or family would like it. You know what to do. You need to share it and let them know about it, and it's an awesome price. It's a pretty new listing. We did just adjust the price, so it's a $479.9. So all this for $479.9 on a great street, close to schools, close to everything. There's shopping, schools, everything around here. So thanks for watching, everybody, and remember to always stay tuned to our updates and our listings, and have a great Saturday, and I hope to see you soon at one of my next listings and show you the featured properties. So take care and bye.